Hello everyone, welcome to my channel EduSphere. In this video I would like to discuss about a very important topic, that is arithmetic. This topic is going to be very important for you. If you see the question paper of ABSI, UBSI, so they ask question from find out the average and then profit and loss and then speed and distance. So all this topic I am going to cover it here. So here question number 1, what is the average of the numbers 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18? So to find out the average, you have to add all this number 10 plus 12, then plus 14 plus 16 and lastly plus 18, and then you have to divide with, you have to check here how many numbers are there, 1 2 3 4 5, so you have to divide with 5. Now thing is that you have to add all this number 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. If you add, you will get how much? You will get 70, and then again you have to divide with 5. So if you divide with 5, you will get how much? You will get 14. So if you see here, option which one? Option B is your correct option. Next question number 2, the average of three numbers is given 20 if two numbers are 18 and 22. What is the third number? So if they ask question like that, in that case, first of all find out the total. Okay, so total there are how many? There are three numbers. Okay, and then average is how much? Average is 20, so is equal to how much you will get? You will get 60 in total. Okay, now from that 60, two numbers you know, one is 18, one is 22, so from that you subtract. It will be your 18 then minus 22. Okay, so all this 18 and 22, if you subtract, you will get how much? You will get 20. So it means if you see here, option which one? Option A is your correct option. Okay, next question number 3, they ask a person works 10 kilometer in 2 hours. What is his working speed? So you have to know the formula. Speed is equal to, formula is what? It is your distance by time. Okay, distance by time. Now if you see here in the question, they given you distance is given how much? 10 kilometer, and then time is given 2 hours. Then if you divide, you will get how much? You will get 5 kilometer per hour. So if you see here, option which one? Option A is your correct option. So you have to remember this formula. Speed is equal to what? Distance by time. So similar question number 4, if a cyclist travels at 18 kilometer per hour for 5 hours, what is the distance he covered? Okay, so again same formula, you have to write speed. Okay, so speed is equal to what? Distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. You have to use the same formula. Now if you see here, they have given you speed here, how much given? 18, then is equal to, distance is not given. They ask you in the question to find out the distance, and time given how much? Time given 5 hours. Now if you multiply, your distance is equal to, you will get how much? 18 into 5 will be how much? It will be your 90 kilometer. Then if you see here, option which one? Option B is your correct option. Okay, or else direct formula also you can apply here, distance equal to speed into time. Okay, the next question, let's see, they ask it from the percentage. Okay, profit and loss, and the question here, a person bought a book for how much? That is your 200, and sold it for a loss of 10%. What is the selling price? So here they have given you cost price. Okay, CP value has given and loss percentage given, and they ask you find out the selling price. So selling price is equal to, your formula will be cost price then into will be 100 minus loss percentage and then divide by 100. Okay, then if you put the values here, your cost price given how much? 200, and then here given 100 minus loss percentage how much? It is your 10 given, then divide by how much? It is your 100. Then if you divide here 100 and 200, then how many times? It will go 2 times. So 2 into, if you subtract here 100 minus 10, how much? That is your 90. So 2 into 90, how much? That is your 180 rupees. So if you see here, option B is your correct option. Next question number 6, they ask a bought, okay, it will be a shopkeeper will be there. Okay, a shopkeeper bought a watch for how much? That is your 1500, and sold it for 1800. What is his profit? So profit is equal to, formula will be what? Profit is equal to what? That is your selling price minus cost price. Okay, so selling price is how much? That is your 1800 rupees, and minus cost price is how much? 1500 rupees, and if you subtract, how much you'll get? You will get 300 rupees. Then option which one? Option B is your correct option. Okay, so in the next video I'll come with again some important question. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share the friend. Thank you.